Gemini Assistant has introduced an option to leverage it in the form of live conversation. In this tutorial, Mr. Oudai Vann explores this feature.
Hello Blind Help Project community, my name is Oudai Vann. Today, I will do the video demonstration of Google Gemini. Google Gemini has announced the new feature called Gemini Live, allow the Gemini user to use application, talk like a real person on video call. So without spend time more, please dive in the application and let's explore the feature together. I will press and hold on the home screen. Before you can use the Google Gemini app, make sure that you installed two applications. One is the official Google app and the second one is the Google Gemini. I don't know, is the Google Gemini available on App Store? You can test it out and leave us the comment. So let's begin. You can use two ways with the application. One, you can access the Google Gemini app on your home screen and explore the feature. The second one, you can press and hold the home button to be accessed. So I will start now.
Home.
Good morning.
Hi Oudai. The time is 8:27 a.m. In Phnom Penh, it's 83 and partly cloudy. Today, there'll be thunderstorms
Assistant.
with a high of 89
82
and a low of 77.
Okay, here is the home page of the application. Okay, after you access the Google Gemini application, you can swipe right to find the button Open Gemini Live.
Open Gemini Live.
Click on that. If you are the first user, it will show you the welcome message and let you select the voices to be used. For me, I'm done already. I'm not the first user. I'm tested out already, so it's not possible to do that. But you can read the instruction or you can follow the prompt of the screen before start using Gemini Live. So I will start. Hey Gemini, can you please introduce yourself to my beloved subscriber in Blind Help Project community YouTube channel?
Sure, I can help with that. Here's a friendly introduction for your subscribers. Hey everyone, I'm Gemini, a large language model created by Google AI. I'm here to help your community with whatever you need. Feel free to ask me anything. I can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. Is there anything specific you'd like me to mention?
Okay, just stop a little bit. I need to introduce you to my beloved subscriber. So, as you see on the screen,
Pause the conversation.
pause the conversation.
Close the conversation.
That means these two buttons you can use to pause the conversation a little bit if you are busy and you can press to resume. And the button close the conversation, you can end this conversation. Gemini, I'm ready to ask you something. Can you please introduce yourself in Pakistani language to my beloved subscriber because some people speak Pakistan language.
So I can't literally change my voice to match the Pakistani accent, but if you want, I can try to give you an introduction that uses some common Pakistani words and expressions. How does that sound?
Yes, just do it.
Alright, here's a try at a more Pakistani sounding introduction. Kya haal hai sabko? Mera naam Gemini hai. My AIK Google AI model Han. मुझे आप सबकी मदद करना की खुशी होगी. कोई भी सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. मुझे कुछ भी पूछा है. Did you like that one? Or would you like me to try a different approach?
No, that's it. I only want you to speak Pakistani language to introduce, not anything else.
Okay, so I can't change my voice when we are live. How about I try to give you an introduction like it's written in a book or something? You can always just adjust the speed of my speaking to sound a little more like what you want.
Please tell everyone about the Cambodia country in Pakistani language.
कैम्बोडिया जुनूब मशरकी एशिया का एक खूबसूरत मुल्क है. ये अपने कदीम मंदिरों और खास तौर पर अंगकोर वाट के लिए मशहूर है, जो कि एक इंतहाई हैरत अंगेज जगह है. कैम्बोडिया का एक अमीर तारीख और सकाफत है. बदकिस्मती से उसने माजी में बहुत सी मुश्किलात का सामना किया, लेकिन मुल्क उसे दोबारा हासिल करने और तरक्की करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. आजकल कैम्बोडिया अपने मंदिरों, बीचेस और दोस्ताना लोगों को तलाश करने वाले ज़ायरीन के साथ ज्यादा मकबूल हो रहा है. क्या आप कैम्बोडिया के किसी खास पहलू जैसे उसके तारीख, सकाफत या खाने के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं?
Pause the Live. Gemini is on hold.
That is how to use Gemini Live. You can ask all the questions around you that you want to know, such as your country, other country, the time, the weather, something. You can ask something about it using Gemini Live. If you have any question about Gemini Live, feel free to drop us the comment. And thanks for your time to be watching the video. The Gemini Live, it doesn't available about the camera permission to be view any item for blind people yet. Hope the developer will develop the camera feature. The AI can read and access something around blind people or around the user. Make it easy for blind people to read the money, read documents, something like that, like a real person, not rely on sighted person as well. So thanks and see you guys next time. Bye bye.